Hi y'all, today I am so excited because I finally upgraded my luggage. I recently purchased this CALPAK Terra 45-liter carry-on, and I think it's a pretty new bag because I wasn't able to find much on it, so I thought I would do a quick little video unboxing. It shipped pretty quickly. It came in that little protective plastic bag, and it comes with its own little dust bag, which is accessible from the top by a drawstring and the bottom by these little like Velcro diaper straps. But it makes it so you don't have to put like the dirty wheels inside of the clean dust bag, and you still have access to the rolling function when it is in the dust bag. So this is my first 360 spinner, which is why I upgraded to this luggage, because I originally had just a two-wheeler, so I don't have anything to compare it to, but it rolls beautifully. It's got handles on the top and on the side, and somewhere for you to pick it up by the bottom. The telescopic handle is really smooth. It seems pretty sturdy. It's got a few different levels or heights, and it locks in place really nicely. It's got tons and tons of pockets, literally all the pockets. I think this first top one is for like your little liquids bag. It's got one down below which has even more pockets inside of it, two kind of flat zippered sections along the back, and then along that front little flap, which I didn't really show, it's got a big zippered mesh pouch. It's got a laptop compartment, quote unquote, with a bunch of different little slide pockets to organize cords and, I don't know, anything you may want to bring in your suitcase. I'm going to try and use this for shoes and straighteners and stuff. We'll see how it works. I love this bag because you can access it from the top like this. So if you wanted to access everything just from the top, or if you don't want to take up a huge footprint opening your suitcase, you can just open it from the top, or you can open it from the middle. This top flap section has two little flat zippered pouch pockets. I think I'm gonna keep like undergarments or swimsuits in those little zip pockets. And like I said, you can open this pouch from the middle also. So I love that you can open it from the top and from the middle. This back kind of divider section has the same mesh zippered pocket sections as the front, and it has this divided compression flap zippered divider. I'm not really sure, but it's amazing. You can compress so much stuff in this back compartment. It has a removable little zipper pouch there on the top, and some hidden passport pockets along the side, which I didn't really show in the back. But this bag is amazing. It seems really nice quality. I can't wait to take it on my next adventure, and I hope you enjoyed taking a peek into it. I'm really excited, and I hope it's good because it was expensive.